Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up rsyslog on VPS for centralized logging, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by connecting to your virtual private server using SSH. Use a terminal application for the connection. Once connected, ensure your system is updated with the command sudo apt-get update. Next, install rsyslog with the command sudo apt-get install rsyslog. After the installation is complete, check the status of rsyslog to ensure it is running. Use the command system.status rsyslog to verify its status. If it is not running, start the rsyslog service using sudo system.start rsyslog. Next, configure rsyslog to accept remote logging. Open the rsyslog configuration file with sudo nano/etc/rsyslog.conf. Locate the lines that start with #module, load equals imut, and #input, type equals imut, port equals 514. Uncomment these lines by removing the hashtag at the start of each line. This enables the UDP input module for rsyslog. Next, do the same for TCP by locating the lines starting with #module, load equals imp, and #input, type equals imp, port. Uncomment both of these lines as well. Now, save the changes and exit the editor by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, and finally enter. To apply the changes, restart the rsyslog service with sudo system.restart rsyslog. Now, configure your firewall to allow traffic on UDP and TCP port 514. If you are using UFW, run the following commands: sudo of allow 514/TCP and sudo of allow 514/UDP. To verify the firewall rules, use the command sudo of status. Next, configure a client machine to send logs to your rsyslog server. On the client, open the rsyslog configuration file with sudo nano/etc/rsyslog.conf. Add the following line at the end of the file, at your _server_IP of 514 for UDP or at your _server_IP. Replace your _server_IP with the IP address of your VPS. Save the changes and exit the editor. Then, restart the rsyslog service on the client machine with sudo system.restart rsyslog. To verify that logs are being sent, check the log files on your VPS by looking at /var/log/syslog. You can use the command tailf/var/log/syslog to view incoming logs in real time. Finally, ensure proper logging configuration on both server and client for expected results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.